Birds. Mom, why do you wake up so early every morning? Lila asked. You don't need to worry about time anymore like you used to when I was a child. You know, I like to listen to the birds singing. I often hear that they have a lot to tell me. Right after that, I watch through the window as Ben packs all those strange things he needs for work into his car. One day, I sat on a bench near his parking spot to hear my birds more clearly. He came over and asked me a question similar to yours. Do you really want to get up so early when the morning is so long for you? And then I told him the story about the letter I received from Flora. I kept putting off reading it later and later. First, it lay on the cabinet next to the shoes. Then it ended up among the newspapers on the living room shelf. And that's how I forgot about it. Actually, I forgot about myself. You know, Rose asked me to take care of the kids. The neighbors were away, so I fed their cats, and there was plenty to do at home as well. About a month, maybe more, went by before I finally sat down to read it. That's how time can surprise us. Over a month. She was in New York, and along with a letter, she sent 2 round-trip tickets. But it was already too late for everything. Too late to pack, to organize the trip. Too late to have a carriage to go. I don't know why she didn't call, but she did so much to make it possible for me to be with her there. If I had found the time to read it then, I would probably be painting pictures of birds in New York, of me and of Flora today. Priorities, I think, are what we want to come first. Because we can do everything, but not all at once. We have to decide what is most important to us, not someday, but now, today. Preferably every day, because everything is subject to change. These are little everyday priorities. That's when we know what we want today. And for me, for a long time, it's been the bird's song in the morning. It sounds completely different than the afternoon songs. The birds told me recently that when Ben packs his things into the car, he counts them. He treats counting as a form of contemplation and quieting his mind. He makes room in his head, Mum said louder, to set priorities for the coming day. It's so helpful. And what is today's priority for you? She asked and went to get her painting easel.